IPrasa ithi silahlekelwe imali engaphezu kuka-4 billion wamarandi ngenxa yokucekelwa phansi kwempahla yayo. UNgqongqoshe uthi igelekeqe beyizenzela umathanda njengoba bekuvalwe izinhlaka eziningi zezwe, kepha uthi beyithola usizo ngaphakathi kuyo leNkampani.
Criminals have been in charge here in Prasa. They've been running a show and then they've been aided by some of the employees inside. Been an inside job. So it will be incorrect to think that criminals and syndicates who are vandalizing this property have been acting on their own.
Ngaphandle bekunequlu lezisebenzi ezingonogada ebelibhikisha likhala ngokuthi lishiywe ngaphandle ngesikhathi kuqashwa oNogada ngokugcwele. Ezinye zazo zithi seyisebenzele izinkampani zoNogada eziqashwe iPrasa iminyaka elishumi.
There are members who standing here since January until now, they did not get their salaries. And when we confronted the companies, they will tell you about Prasa, But Prasa today is recruiting new people who are going to get better salary and then better jobs. Do you understand? That's why we are indicating, we are saying, Minister, you must stop this with immediate effect and start a new process.
Kepha Mbalula uthi lo mbhikisho awusho lutho njengoba iPrasa isichithe igidi zamarandi ezinkampanini zoNogada kule minyaka edlule, kepha bekulokhu kuqhubekile ukwebiwa kwempahla.
This place has been vandalized with us paying billions to security companies who have not helped this place. Cables have been vandalized with security companies present. You go to Park Station, never seen such a thing. A tap broken, water spilling off, but there is security.
Mbalula uvale ngokuthi ibhodi lalenkampani lizoqokwa yiPhalamende emaduze ukuze kuqinisekiswe ukuthi lenkampani isebenza ngendlela efanele.